Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of your Dreame L10s Gen 2, or to be honest, most Dreame vacuum robot it seems. All you need is a small pointy object like a paperclip or in my case a needle. Now start by making sure your robot has got some power in it. Then pull it out of its base station, spin it around and open the main hatch on the robot. In here locate the little hole next to the Wi-Fi indicator light. Insert the paperclip or needle into the hole and push firmly on the tiny button there for about 5 seconds until a voice says restoring to factory settings.
Restoring to factory settings.
From here, just hold off a bit until you hear this lovely tone. Indicating that the factory reset is complete. After this, close the lid and push the on-off button to turn the robot completely off. And that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!